This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add bots to Discord server from PC and mobile. First of all, I'll show you this process using computer. So I'm going to opening this website top.gg. This is a very popular website where you will get lots of Discord servers and bots. You can search for a particular bots from here and make sure to select Discord bots to find some bots here. So for example, I want to add this bot to my Discord server. So I'm going to clicking on invite and selecting a server where I want to add this bot and click on authorize. Click on accept invite. And now if I open my Discord server here, and here you can see the bot has been successfully added. And now let's see how to add bots to Discord server from mobile. On your mobile phone, open a browser and type here top.gg and search for a specific bot from here. Once you get the bot, click on invite, select a server, continue, authorize. It may ask you to log in into your Discord account here, so you must have to log in into your Discord account before adding bots. So that's how you can add Discord bot for mobile and PC. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.